Hi everyone, Nitin here. One person asked me, I am making rent payment to landlord, whether TDS is applicable on that rent payment. I said yes, 100% TDS is applicable on rent payment while you making payment to landlord. So there are two certain cases. One is if your landlord is resident and if your landlord is non-resident or non-resident Indian. First I am going to explain the concept of TDS applicable to rent payment on resident. You are individual or HUF, that is a tenant is individual or HUF, and he comes under tax audit under section 44 AB subsection A or subsection B of Income Tax Act, then he have to make TDS under section 194 I subsection small b at the rate of 10%, and if that amount exceeds 2,40,000 per annum, and that amount exceeds 2,40,000 per annum, he have to deduct TDS while making rent payment to resident landlord. Okay, then he have to get the TAN number and he have to deduct TDS under section 194 IB, and quarterly he have to file the form 26Q for this TDS payment. Okay, then second case, if individual or HUF not comes under tax audit, if individual or HUF not comes under tax audit under section 44 AB subsection A or subsection B of income tax, and while he making rent payment to landlord, then section 194 IB is applicable. Section 194 IB, that is if rent amount exceeds 50,000 per month, then he have to make TDS and at the rate of 5%, and he have to make the amount to the landlord. Then it is actually non-TAN based transaction. So for this transaction, that is what I am explaining, 194 IB, that is 194 I big B. For this TAN number is not applicable. It is PAN based TDS deduction, that is PAN of landlord, address of landlord, mobile number of landlord, email of landlord, and this detail should be obtained by tenant while he making the payment. And it is a challan come, and you have to make a form 26QC. Remember that form 26QC he have to file and he have to submit. Okay, then next another case is if landlord is a non-resident or non-resident Indian. See, there are if any payment you are making to the landlord, if he is non-resident or non-resident Indian, then section 195 is applicable. It is it doesn't matter how much amount you have making payment to the landlord. If any making payment, if any amount you making payment to the landlord, if and that landlord is non-resident or non-resident Indian, then section 195 is applicable, and the tenant should deduct TDS under section 195. Then tenant should deduct TDS under section 195, and you have to make the payment to the non-resident Indian or non-resident. So for this form 27Q, okay, there is separate TDS statement. There is separate TDS statement is then, that is form 27Q should be filed for every quarter. Okay, I hope this information will be very useful. Thank you.